कितना सुंदर है यार। आई नीड न्यू क्लोथ। ये वाला तो कितना ज़्यादा सुंदर है यार। मम्मा से पूछूं क्या? मम्मा मैं नए कपड़े ले लूं क्या? पुराने कपड़े सब खराब हो चुके हैं। Hey guys, it's Mitali and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here then welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, जैसा कि आप सब लोग ने देखा ही मेरी दुख भरी कहानी that I don't have anything to wear and I guess ये हर एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी की कहानी होती ही होती है कि कुछ पहनने को नहीं है। और फिर मैंने सोचा कि सब लोग के पास एक बेसिक वाइट टी शर्ट तो होती ही होगी, मतलब मैंडेटरी होती है, वार्डरोब में होनी ही चाहिए। अगर आप लोग के पास नहीं है तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में कुछ वाइट टी शर्ट्स के लिंक दे दूँगी जो आप लोग खरीद सकते हो। सो दिस इज़ द वाइट टी शर्ट एंड प्लीज़ इग्नोर द डॉग्स बार्किंग बिकॉज रात के 12 बज रहे हैं और मैं शूट कर रही हूँ इस वक्त में, और इग्नोर देम। सो क्या बोल रही थी मैम? हाँ, दिस इज़ माई वाइट टी शर्ट जो कि मैंने बिग बाज़ार से ली थी और इसके ऊपर जो है ग्लिटर का वर्क हो रखा है। और सो मैं आज आप लोग को बताने वाली हूँ कि आप एक वाइट टी शर्ट को 10 अलग अलग तरीकों में कैसे पेयर अप कर सकते हो, कैसे स्टाइल कर सकते हो। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So usually we wear our white t-shirts just like this with jeans and this looks very basic and very simple, but अगर हम एक नॉट भी बीच में बांध देंगे ना तो वो बहुत ड्रास्टिक चेंज ले आता है पूरे आउटफिट में, पूरे लुक में. तो आप एक नॉट बांध दो एक रबर बैंड की मदद से और फिर आप उसके साथ एक बेल्ट ऐड कर सकते हो. लाइक it's optional and here I am adding white shoes with it and yeah, it's so effortless, it's so easy and yet it brings a drastic change to like the previous version of it. And yeah, it's very pretty and very basic. So for the next one, just tuck in your t-shirt and then just add a tank top to it. Like wear a tank top over your white t-shirt and it will look so pretty. And then just add a belt and you can add a bag. It's completely optional, it depends where you are going. So yeah, this is such a perfect outfit for when you are going to college or shopping or for a movie. Just a tank top can drastically change the whole look and the whole vibe of the dress. For the same look, you can also wear a skirt with it. You don't have to change anything else, or you can wear heels also and you are ready to go for a party too. And then the third look in this same series, the tank top wali series, is this one with palazzo pants. This is so perfect for a brunch or for a dinner also. I got these pants from Myntra and you can check out the link in the description box below. And then why not to style it with an ethnic piece when we are living in India. So here I am tying a knot in the center of the t-shirt and then tucking it in and then just making it look neat from behind as well. My t-shirt is like a bit glittery, so it is going really well with the skirt I am wearing. And then I just completed the look with very pretty Jokan ki jewelry and I guess it looks so elegant and so pretty. For the next one I am wearing black jeans and then just tuck in the top. Now take your shirt and fold one of the sleeve inside out and then wear the other sleeve, the other half, and then take the sleeve and the other side of the shirt and tie a knot and then just tuck it well to get a neat look. Tuck it in really neatly and well from behind so that it doesn't keep coming out and it looks so creative. You can also wear a belt and then wear white shoes with it. This one was so experimental and new for me as well. Like I tried it for the first time and it came out so beautifully. I can't wait to wear it outside. So the next outfit is a formal one. Everything is same as of the previous outfit. Just wear a coat instead of this shirt and heels instead of white shoes because white shoes doesn't look formal. And yeah, that is it for this outfit. It's so easy and perfect for a meeting or for any formal occasion. So the next look is denim on denim, for which I am wearing shorts for a change. If you don't wear shorts, you can wear jeans as well. and then just wear a denim jacket. It's as simple as that. And for a change, I am wearing pink shoes instead of white, and it's completely your choice. Denim on denim never goes out of style, and it looks so effortless. It is actually so effortless and so easy and looks so cool. For the next one, I am wearing white on white, like white jeans with white t-shirt. And then I'm gonna tie a knot in the center or on the side. It's completely your choice. And then I have tucked in the knot to make it look neater. And then just take a t-shirt, basically checked one looks prettier, and then just tie it around your waist, and yeah, you are good to go. It looks so pretty. Oh yeah, add on the shoes as well. This one is also perfect for college, like red pops in so well on white. You can definitely add a shirt of any color of your choice. Or if you don't want to wear a shirt, you can just wear a denim jacket over it, and yeah, you are again good to go for college or for a movie. So guys, that is up for today's video. I hope you all like the video. आपको ये स्टाइलिंग टिप्स काम करी हो, आप इनको फ्यूचर में ट्राई करें. अगर आप इनमें से कोई भी स्टाइल ट्राई करने वाले हो या आप करोगे तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम में फ़ोटोज़ भेजना मत भूलना या स्टोरी में टैग कर देना. Your wish. So yeah, I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want next, and bye bye.